Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys a pink lime makeup inspired look. And I know this is more of a summer inspired look, but I really don't care because I don't want fall to begin. If I'm being totally honest, summer is my favorite season, as crazy as that sounds, but that's probably just because my birthday is in the summer. Okay, let's begin. So first I'm going to wipe my face clean using the Garnier Micellar Water. And then to moisturize my lips, I'm going to be using Bobbi Brown's Extra Lip Tint in the shade Bare Pink. I've recently become obsessed with these and now I want all the colors. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using Supergoop's Unseen Sunscreen, which is basically the same as Kylie Cosmetics sunscreen. They're both very lightweight and you don't even feel them on your face. And for primer today, I wanted to use something different, so I'm using MAC's Prep and Prime Skin Base, and it worked really well. And for eye primer, I decided to try Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer in the shade Invisipink. And for my foundation, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. Sometimes I do feel like it can be a little sheer, so I do tend to apply more, especially when I'm having skin problems. But for the most part, I really like it because I feel like it goes with my skin tone so well. And I am using the shade Warm Beige. Using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC30, I'm just going to apply it to any annoying little blemishes I can find. Next, I'm going to be using KKW's concealer in the shade number 5, and I'm going to apply that to my forehead, under eyes, my chin, nose, and a little bit on my cheeks. Once I'm done blending that in, I'm going to be using the Cover FX translucent powder to set my makeup. And this actually used to be my favorite powder to use until I discovered Kat Von D's translucent powder. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Omega Gel Powder Eyeshadow in the shade Perfect O. And I'm going to use that as a base for my eyeshadow. And now, taking the Kylie Jenner Royal Peach palette, I'm going to take the color Sorbet and apply that only on my crease and buff it out gently. I really like the colors of this palette. The only thing that sucks is that now I'm probably going to have to buy this palette again since she's redoing her whole makeup line. Next, using the color Peachy, I'm going to apply that on top of Sorbet, and I'm going to be careful and try to not blend it too high up. And now, taking the color Crush, I'm going to apply that to the outer corner and a little bit underneath the two colors that I just applied. Next, I'm going to cut my crease using the KKW concealer, and then after that I'm going to take the bright olive green shade from the palette Mojito and apply that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Queen Bee, which is a sparkly copper, and I'm going to apply that right in between the pink and the green so I can have a nice transition between the two colors and it's not just straight up green and pink on my eyes. And now, taking the Balm's Photo Balm Powder Foundation in the shade Medium, I'm just going to apply that to my face and get rid of all the translucent powder. And just because I still wanted to try out that bottom purple shade of the palette called North Star, I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line for another pop of color. And I know you could barely see it, but either way it's okay because I still want the green and the pink to be the star of the show. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze in the shade Tantastic. To represent the nice, warm California weather, I'm going to be using Benefit's California Blush and apply that to my cheeks. For highlighter, I wanted to use something fun and colorful, so I'm using this Too Faced highlighter in the shade Canary Diamond, which is a pink yellowy highlighter, and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the high points of my cheeks. Next, for eyeliner, I'm going to be trying out the Ulta Beauty Classic Felt Tip Liner in black and just do a cat eye. For eyebrows today, I wanted to try out something different instead of using my usual NYX brow mascara. So I'm going to try out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pro palette. This palette actually comes with all 11 brow powder duos, but today I'm going to just be using the auburn one, and using the dark one first, I'm going to apply that all over my brow, and to match my hair color more, I'm going to apply the redder shade on top. To seal my brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel and just brush that all over them. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Scott Barnes fake lashes in the style called Madison. For lips, I don't usually use liquid matte lipsticks because they always make my lips feel super dry, but I am using the Dose of Colors liquid matte in the shade Truffle, and I really like this formula because it doesn't really feel drying and it actually makes my lips feel soft. Next, for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. I really like this mascara because it's kind of like a wet mascara. I don't know if that's gonna make any sense, but it really lifts my lashes, and now I'm even thinking of buying the waterproof one. For lip gloss, I'm using the Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy, and this actually smells really good. It reminded me of those Bugs Bunny and Tweety popsicles that I used to get for the ice cream truck as a kid, so that was a really neat touch. But besides that, I really like how this color complements the liquid lipstick. And last but not least, I'm going to be using this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and coconut water. And then I realized I wanted to apply some more highlighter, so I went ahead and I applied that to my collarbone and my shoulders. And there you have it, guys. A little late, but better than never summer glam. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun using different products than what I usually use. I feel like lately I've been stuck in the rut and I just keep using the same products over and over when I should be using different ones since I have a lot of makeup, and I should try to get rid of it before it expires. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye!